Okay, let's take a look at what the first assignment in our conditionals badge is. So this one is just a little program to kind of test out the idea of an if statement. Shouldn't take much to do. It's just a few lines. Input is asking the person for their name. Output is if their name is your name, say you're the greatest person. And if their name is somebody else's name, just think of somebody else that you want to use. Tell them, some sort of kind little insult like, hey, go get a life, or boy, you're not as good as me, or something like that. So, how it plays out is basically just what I said, but if you want to see how it works, basically, if you put in a name like Ian, then it says something like that. And if you put in a name like Tim, it says, wow, you are so cool. Now, you notice mine is running over and over again. I did that only to show you all the possibilities for your output. Yours would just run one time and then stop. I made mine go in a loop so I can show you how. I just want to be able to go through in this lab in these assignments, and show you the possible outputs, because that's the one trick about if statements, is that you want to be able to test them for all the different possibilities you think somebody might enter. So let's just say somebody enters in a number. What's going to happen? So nothing. It goes back again because I have a loop. It goes back and says it again. The assignment just says, one name say one thing, another name say another thing, and any other name that you might put in here, don't say anything about. So again, mine's just running over and over again to show you that, but this one's pretty simple in that it only needs two names, and those two names can each do something, and you can ignore everything else.